So first impression of the Mandarin and Immortelle. Citrus with light floral notes. Some earthy tones. Overall, still my favorite is Rose Saffron, but this one's nice. Also, the one that I like too is the Framboise Vert Matcha, which is strawberries with matcha. Also nice light and citrus. If you're in Paris, check out the La Citron store and their Pierre Hermé collection. Thanks for watching. Please push subscribe. Never mind, forget that last part. Incense Bergamot is really nice. It's citrus with a little heaviness to it. That's the one. Essence Bergamot favorite.